All right, the clearing for the welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be dropping about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 pine trees to make room for the new sawmill shed. So this is a sawmill shed build video, kinda, sorta. It's actually clearing the land. All right, I actually didn't push this one over with the excavator because I couldn't get behind it. And if I pushed that one, it would just go into this one. And of course I should have nicked that so it didn't peel that up, but at least it went in the right direction. And you can see the quality of logs here is quite poor, to say the least. But gonna do what I can. I'm gonna take them down. So next, I think I'm gonna finish greasing the excavator and try to punch a hole in here to get behind this one, and then just start dropping. I want to drop all of, I'd like to drop all of them if I can into this opening, and then create a big mess, and then spend the rest of the day trying to clean it up. All right, there you have it. I'm gonna go grease the excavator and get it back here. one over there I can't get behind, so I'm gonna cut it off and fell it that way. And I think I'm gonna take that one too, and that'll be all of them. And yeah. I think this maple here, the top is dead. I'll cut that off with the chainsaws. I am trying to avoid messing with the roots over near that oak tree. That thing's staying. Well, it did go down the right spot, but I cut through the hinge. All right, that's the only one I'm worried about. This maple's leaning that way, and that tree's leaning that way, so I'll get that one down, and then we'll film that one over there. Alright, well, the saw's not running right, but all the trees are down that I'm going to take down. So I am going to go take a break, and then we can start limbing. It's yeah, I think I'm going to leave this stump here for now because it's too close to that tree. I'm going to leave that tree, but I've got 1, 2, 3 or 4 stumps to dig out, and the rest of them are already out of the ground. the saw's cutting a lot better now. Covered in dust. All right, I think I'm gonna stack logs here for now. I just got to get them out of the way. I got to get all this logs out of the way so I can get that pile, clean up that pile, because there's two stumps in there that have got to come out. All right, we got a good start. There are two trees attached to, two logs attached to stumps. I got to cut them off and dig all that stuff out. So that's the next step. And then all of this ugly stuff, I think I'm just going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's going to go to the burn pile eventually. Oops. It's going to go to the burn pile eventually. And of course this is a mess, but you gotta, this is how it starts out. It starts out as a mess. Pile of logs over there, stumps, logs, and slowly working my way through this pile. There's more logs up there, and I think a lot of this is now, after this, is going to get stacked into a big pile to be burned. All right, this is the after shot. There were actually 4 stumps in there. I got them all out. All the stumps are out over here. And those are going to go down in the big stump pile down in the woods. Excavator is amazing. Kind of separated out the brush. That stuff's going to get burned. I tracked all over this. It's really coming along. It doesn't look like it is, but it is. So I really just have this stuff here. I'm going to pile all this stuff in the middle. It's a part of the burn pile. And then there are a couple of logs up there. Really, all of this stuff here is going to go one big pile here in the middle. And another hour or 2 on the excavator, and this will all be cleaned up. And amazing. And then after that, I'm giving you the whole lowdown here. After that, I'm going to stack all of these logs kind of right where I'm standing, so that I can set the sawmill up right there and saw all the logs. I want to get them all sawn before they don't want them sitting here that long. Yesterday, this was all trees here. Today, it's on its way to being a cleared spot for a brand new sawmill shed. All right, stick around. All right, excavator worked great. This is all cleaned up. I got all the logs stacked. I still have a little bit more work to pile up onto here. And the logs are just completely dirty, but I'm not, that's what a debarker is for. And I've got a blade sharpener, so it's just, everything here is just a powdery mess. But from there over was all trees 2 days ago. I'm probably going to bring the tractor in here and try to smooth this up a little bit. That's going to get condensed a little bit more. And that's a burn pile. I still have all of those tops to cut up to add to the log pile. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I think it's the end of this video. All right, this has been a yeah, I was a little worried about this whole thing, but it seemed to work out. So there you have it. Start of a brand new project, like I need another project. All right, if you made it to this point, thanks for watching. Stick around. I think the concrete pour is the next video.